Right, the last question: which of the following arguments are correct and which are not correct? Give reasons. If two coins are tossed simultaneously, right, two coins, there are three possible outcomes: two heads, two tails, and or one of each. That means one head or one tail. Therefore, each of these outcomes, the probability is 1 by 3. So let us see whether this is correct or wrong. So when I throw the two coins, right, what are the favorable outcomes? I may get head, right? I may also get tail, or I may get one head and one tail, or I may get one tail and one head. So that means my favorable outcome is how much? 4. So probability of getting two heads, favorable outcome, divided by total number of outcome. So two heads, right? How many outcomes? How many favorable outcomes do I have? Two head. Favorable outcome is just 1, right? So 1 by 4. But what did the question say? The probability is 1 by 3, which is wrong, right? Because my probability of getting two head is 1 by 4 and not 1 by 3. All right, let's do the same thing for two tails. If you look here, two tails, there's just one favorable outcome, which means it is again 1 by 4, which is not equal to what the question is given to us, 1 by 3 again. That's why 1 by 4 is not equal 1 by 3. Let's try for one head and one tail. If we try to look for one head and one tail, there are two, right? Head, tail, tail, head. Each is occurring once, right? So my favorable outcome is 2 by 4, which if I divide, I'm going to get 1 by 4, which is not equal to 1 by 3. So you can see that the statement is incorrect when the question said it is 1 by 3. The probabilities of this outcome is not 1 by 3. All right, B or Roman number 2. If a die is thrown, right, a die is thrown, there are two possible outcomes: an odd number or an even number. Therefore, the probability of getting odd number is 1 by 2. So let's check. Okay, so when you throw a die, there are 6 numbers that we get, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which means my total number outcome is 6. Now let's see the probability of getting an odd number. Odd number, how many are there? 1, 3, and 5. That means my favorable outcome is 3, right? So favorable outcome, total number outcome is 6. 3 by 6. I'm getting half, right? Which means for the first part it is correct. Okay, they said half, right? Let's try one for the even number. Once again, what are even numbers here? 2, 4, and 6. That means favorable outcome is 3. I'm getting 3 by 6, then 1 by 2. That means you see that therefore the probability of getting odd number is 1 by 2. This is correct, right? We go 1 by 2. Same thing even for even number, right? Therefore this statement is correct.